Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can make a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. You have two options to do so, and the first and probably most common one is to just press the volume down and the power on and off button at the same time, and then it makes a screenshot. The second option you have is to swipe across the screen with your hand, and then it will also make a screenshot. For that to work, you need to go to your settings and go to advanced features and go to motions and gestures, and at the bottom you have palm swipe to capture. This needs to be enabled, otherwise that doesn't work. If you make your screenshots, you can go to your gallery and then you have the option to edit your screenshots. You can put filters on them, write on them, crop them, and well, do whatever you like with your screenshot, and you can save it and send it to people or just have it. So that's how you can make a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.